We're able to keep all of our camera gear nicely secured in a Rockland drawer setup. We had them custom make us a box with dual drawers and a slide-out table. We went over to West Coast Light and Siren, where Daniel Pusak, who had the Tacoma from our Big Bear trip, was able to work up some brackets and get it installed.
Alright, so there's a factory threaded bung that's hidden underneath the top layer of sheet metal. So I'm going to make a bracket out of a 3/16 by 2 inch flat stock, and it's perfectly going to butt up with the edge of the plastic for how wide the box is.
Brackets were made for the front of the drawers using the factory tie-down anchor points. The drawers can be locked with a key or secured with a combo lock deadbolt.